Eugene Ionesco once said, "It is not the answer that enlightens, but the question." And I have a teammate, Lisa Kempton, who joined my team last fall, and she's brought forward the notion of plain language questions. That plain language questions help others wrap their head around the concepts that we're trying to bring forward, whether the we is Prosci or the we is us, the change management practitioner community. And so slide 6 is going to give you the 5 plain language questions that align with each of the 5 tenets. And I think this helps us add clarity, and it also adds an inquisitive nature to how we're going to unpack the 5 tenets. So our plain language questions become, why are we changing? Who has to do their job differently and how? How much of our outcomes depend on adoption and usage? What will we do to support that adoption and usage? And how will driving adoption and usage improve the results we're trying to achieve? These are those 5 plain language questions you can begin asking project managers this afternoon. And that's the power of the 5 tenets, the context and the conversation that it enables.